Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really simple bread. For this bread you're going to need some porridge oats, some natural yogurt and some bicarbonate of soda. You will also need a mixing bowl and a bread tin. Mine's really old but I'm using this liner to line it. Yep. Begin by emptying your yogurt into the bowl. Okay, so what you can do, if you don't have another container, you can rinse out this container, but I have another one here from another time I made bread. So what you're going to do is you need 2 times the amount of porridge to the amount of yogurt. So measure out 2 cups. Sorry, I'm messy. 1, 2. Then you take your bicarbonate of soda and put just about a half a teaspoon inside. Okay, so we're just going to mix that in to make sure that it's well incorporated. I'll fast forward this now. Okay, so you can see that that's well mixed there. I'm simply going to take my tin and pop the mix inside. Oops. Then just smooth out the mix inside. Now, once you have it like that, place it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. As you can see, I'm cooking my spuds at the same time. Check that it's firm to the touch and nice and golden on top. Then simply cut and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making more videos while we're stuck at home during the quarantine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Stay safe.